100% organic cotton scarf GOTS certificate. Lily Epic has produced a limited edition scarf collection made with 100% organic cotton with GOTS certified. But what is GOTS and why we prefer to use GOTS as an environmental certification for these products? Please keep watching. The Global Organic Textile Standard, GOTS, is the worldwide leading textile processing standard for organic fibers, including ecological and social criteria, backed up by independent certification of the entire textile supply chain. Textile processing results in the often treated discharge of toxic chemicals into the air and water, as well as hazardous workplace situations. GOTS prohibit the use of this kind of chemical commonly used in textile processing that can cause cancer, birth defects, and other serious illnesses. When using organically produced materials, farm workers and the environment are protected. When there are no harmful residues in the end product, consumers are protected. Organic is a system of production with national standards for environmental protection and animal welfare. Organic raw material include organic cotton, silk, linen, or wool. As most natural fibers, organic cotton fabric has health benefits that cannot be ignored. Organic cotton fabric provides a moderate UV protection and has antibacterial properties, making this ideal for clothing and even medical use. Only textile products made from at least 70% or 95% organic cotton can be certified as an organic cotton standard GOTS. From harvesting of raw material through environmentally and socially responsible manufacturing to labeling, GOTS provides credible assurance to the end consumer, and all environmental impact and footprint will be minimized. From harvesting of raw materials through environmentally and socially responsible manufacturing to labeling, GOTS provides credible assurance to the end consumer and minimize the environmental footprint. Workers are not exposed to toxic chemicals when working with GOTS certified input and practices. In addition, the GOTS social criteria are based on the International Labour Organization (ILO) key conventions, which include a ban on child and forced labor, and include provisions such as having systems in place to prove that they are addressing social concerns such as grievances. Flora Scarf 100% organic cotton scarf made in a fully GOTS certificate with lightened, super soft and seasonless fabric. This scarf could be fashion styled in multiple ways. This collection was created for sustainable eco-fashion, and it's a great way to casually and easily accessorize your outfit. Please discover our eco-unique design fashion at our online shop lilyrayEpic.com. This scarf, a spiritual scarf, is made on ethical source 100% organic cotton and earthen yourself With organic cotton scarves, thread is made from the earth and for the earth. The natural and harmful chemical-free organic screen printed with our colorful eco-design is inspired by Mother Nature. Each piece is unique and it's easy wear, easy care style that can fit loosely and on your neck and shoulder. Consciously and ethically made by respecting the planet from which they are born. The sustainable, reusable packaging with less carbon footprint shipping process will be our proud. This scarf is for everyone's favorite scarf who wants to do the best for the environment.